Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable in-app purchase on iPhone. So if you want to enable your in-app purchase and you don't know how to do that, here's a quick guide on how to do it. So the first thing you have to do is for you to be able to purchase the in-app, open the settings, then scroll down a little, then tap on the screen time. Then once you tap on the screen time, then give like a few seconds. Then if your screen time is off, you just have to turn it on or probably set it. So this is my iPhone. Then once you've turned it on, then scroll down a little, then tap on the content and privacy restriction. So under it, then scroll down a little, then click on iTunes and Apple Store purchase. Tap on it. Okay, before you tap on the iTunes and the App Store purchase, make sure you turn on this option, which is content and privacy restriction. Turn it on. Then now after that, tap on the iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap on it. Then from here, make sure that this option is set to be enabled, and that is how you can simply purchase any app or re-download any in-app purchase on your iPhone. So the in-app purchase option should be turned on or set to allow, and that is it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.